Okay, so let's look at the next question. Well, if one Wonka bar costs £1.20, how much do 3 Wonka bars cost? Okay, so pause the video now and have a go. Okay, so let's go through this together. Well, if one Wonka bar costs £1.20, let's just focus on the pounds for now. So let's forget the 20p and look at the £1. If one Wonka bar is £1, how much will 3 Wonka bars cost? What's 3 multiplied by 1? Well, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. And now let's look at the pence. Well, we can see it's £1.20. So we're focusing on the 20p. So if 1 is 20p, what would 3 be? Well, we need to do 3 multiplied by 20 or 20 plus 20 plus 20. Now to help us here, let's try 2 plus 2 plus 2 first, okay? Because if we know 2 plus 2 plus 2, we also know 20 plus 20 plus 20. So what's 2 plus 2 plus 2? Yes, that's right, it's 6. And therefore, if 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals 60. So 3 Wonka bars will cost £3.60. Okay, next question. This is a tricky one because there are 2 parts to this. Matilda loves reading, as we know. She goes to the shop and buys these books. She pays with a £10 note. How much change does she get? So we're thinking back to when we learned about money now. So pause the video and have a go. Okay, so let's go through this together. Well, again, like we did in the last question, let's focus on the pounds first. Well, first of all, we need to know how much this will all cost her, don't we? We need to know how much it will cost her all together. So we need to do an addition. So let's add the pounds. Well, we have £2 plus £3, which is, yes, it's £5. And now let's focus on the pence. So 45 plus 25 equals 70. So there we go. These 2 books together will cost Matilda £5.70. Now she is paying with a £10 note. Okay, so we need to find the difference between £5.70 and £10. So therefore we need to do a subtraction. We need to do £10 subtract £5.70, which equals £4.30. So well done if you got that right. That was a tricky one, that was. Okay, we're on to our last question now. Oh, what's this year too? Yes, it's a pictogram, isn't it? We love our pictograms. Okay, so Roald Dahl asked some children who their favourite character was. He is showing his results in the pictogram below. Now, if we have a look at the key, we can see that 1 star represents 2 children. And our question is, how many more children chose Miss Honey than Matilda? Okay, so if we're asking how many more, what do we need to use to work that out? Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, so first of all, let's find out how many children chose Matilda and how many children chose Miss Honey. Well, next to Matilda, we've got 2 full stars. So we've got 2, 4, and then we've got a half star. Now, if a full star is 2 children, a half star will be 1 child. So we've got 2, 4, and then 1 more child, which is 5. So 5 children chose Matilda, and Miss Honey has 5 full stars. So we need to count up in 2s 5 times. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, stop there. We've counted 5 steps of 2 and we got to 10. So now we know how many children chose Matilda and how many children chose Miss Honey. We can work out how many more children chose Miss Honey than Matilda. Now we are finding the difference here. So again, we need to use subtraction, and we need to start with the largest number, which is the number 10, because 10 children chose Miss Honey, and we need to subtract 5 because that's how many children chose Matilda. So what is 10 subtract 5? Well, 10 subtract 5 equals 5. And we can check that because we know if we use the inverse that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, so now if you have a look at how many of you've got correct and add up your score, and then if you could send it to the office when you can. And I'm looking forward to seeing how you got on. So have a lovely rest of your day, and I hope you've enjoyed our maths lesson today. Bye.